Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your text effect by using this feature on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word star just cause, and you can also change the font as well. I'm just going to select this one. Actually, let's find another one. Okay, maybe that one. You can also change the color here of the writing. Then scroll down, and then when you see the word glow, you're just going to select it. This one's a pro feature, but this one isn't. You can adjust the intensity and the range of it. And you can also change the color if you'd like to. I think I'm gonna like this green one. I actually like the pink one kinda better. The purplish pink one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!